So I was in the I just got out of the shower, and I was in the kitchen, and I heard a loud boom. And I looked at my son. My son looked at me, and like I said, I just knew what it was. I knew it was the neighbor's tree had fallen over the garage. So I looked out the front door and seen all the limbs and everything, and first thing I did was call the police department and let them know, because we just moved here. My husband's Marine in Bridgeport, he's stationed in Bridgeport, and I didn't know about whether there was power lines or anything. So I called the police department, and they sent the fire truck out, and no, I'm forgetting. Next thing I know, and then I called my landlord, and then I called my husband and let everybody know that we were all right and what had happened. And the fire department came down and said they were going to clear, the path to the front door. And it wasn't maybe later they came around the back and said, you need to grab all your stuff, grab a jacket and shoes, and get out of the house because the next tree was going to come down. And that's it. I grabbed my baby, my son, and the dog, and we were out of there.